Hello, welcome to Bianca's Fun TV. So, could you tell them what we're doing today, Bianca?
So today we're doing the giant burger sandwich.
Yes, so let's get started. So, we're gonna start with the meat, and Bianca's gonna help me adding the salt and pepper. Alright, so I'm gonna start squeezing the meat. Could you help me add the salt and pepper, Bianca, first?
Yeah.
So, pepper and some salt. And we're gonna squeeze it. Squeeze it up. Squeeze it up. Squeeze it, squeeze it. We have to mix the salt and pepper with the meat. Bianca, you're doing really good at squeezing it.
I know that.
Good job. After we're done squeezing it, guys, we're gonna shape it into a circle. So it can kind of look like a burger. So, can we shape it now, Bianca?
Yeah.
So we're gonna squeeze, and shape it as a burger. And make it like kind of look like a circle. Bianca's actually doing a great job.
Never done this before.
She was so excited about getting a giant burger sandwich done.
Yeah. So comment down below if you like this video. This is getting more like a circle, guys.
It's getting more like a circle. We're almost there. You just have to squeeze a little bit more.
And we have to make it flat.
We have to make it flat.
So it would be skinny.
So I guess we're done with it. So this is how it looks like. Now we have to go and put it on the stove so it can cook.
Yep.
So come with me, guys. We're gonna go put it on the stove and we're gonna wait for the meat to cook.
Okay.
So here, guys, I have the meat now. And I'm gonna put it to the fire so it can start to cook. So while the meat is cooking, we're gonna start cutting up the vegetables. Bianca, what are you gonna be cutting?
I'm gonna cut tomatoes.
So Bianca's gonna cut the tomatoes into slices and Mommy's gonna cut the onions. So let's get started, Bianca. I have to slice it really thin for the burger, and Bianca is cutting the tomatoes. She might need some help. She's never done that before, but I'm cutting the onions into slices, and then maybe I can help
How do you
Bianca.
cut it?
I can help Bianca a little bit cutting the tomatoes. So we're gonna go between it, slice it. So Bianca is doing really good. Right, Bianca?
Yeah.
She's cutting it really into slices, tomato slices. Okay. Once we're done with the tomatoes, we're still waiting for the burger to cook. And then once the burger is cooked, we are gonna do the giant burger sandwich. Are you excited, Bianca? She is very excited, guys. So we're waiting for the burger to cook, and we already had our tomato slices. We have our onion slices. We also do have here lettuce and some cheese slices. Yum yum.
I'll eat that right now, guys.
Alright, guys, so our meat is ready now. Ooh,
So delicious, Mommy.
looks so yummy and delicious. And we have our giant bread. So Bianca is gonna start by adding some mayonnaise to the bread. Ooh, yummy, yummy. And Mommy's gonna add the giant big burger. Alright. And then we're gonna add some cheese on the top of the burger. So, ooh, the cheese is melting. It's gonna be so yummy. After the cheese, we have here some lettuce. So we're gonna be adding some lettuce to the sandwich. Ooh, I can't help it, guys. It looks so yummy. We have some tomatoes. We're gonna be adding some tomatoes.
This looks so yummy.
Looks so yummy, guys. And we have some onions. So we're gonna be adding onions on the top of the tomatoes. Comment down below and let us know if you've tried cooking a big giant burger at your house or not. So this is the second half. Bianca's gonna add some ketchup to it. Ooh, there you go. Thank you, Bianca. Ooh, so our big giant burger is ready. Yummy, yummy. It looks so yummy.
I want to eat it right now, guys.
I want to eat it now. Alright, guys, comment down below and let us know if you like our burger sandwich. Please remember to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. Bye.